All right, Tom. Well, of course, it's President's Day, so financial institutions and the markets are closed. So let's get to health news. Doctors say this year's flu season is peaking all across the country, and it's still not too late to get a flu vaccine. But they also say there's something even more pressing you should be doing to avoid the virus. NBC's Chris Clackham has details.
This particularly nasty flu season has gotten nastier. 47 states are now reporting one strain or another of the virus.
The virus is going to be with us throughout the country well into March and perhaps into April.
That's why the CDC and doctors everywhere are still encouraging anyone 6 months and older to be vaccinated, to keep your distance from those you suspect have it, and consider giving your household a good scrubbing.
Viruses can get on inanimate surfaces, and depending upon the nature of the inanimate surface, they can last for about 15 minutes, sometimes some viruses as long as 24 hours.
That's especially a concern if a child's running around the house.
I have been known to chase her around the house carrying my Clorox wipes.
Like Elizabeth Cannon, mom of a 7-year-old and owner-operator of a 2 maids and a mop cleaning franchise.
Some of the simplest things that you can do are keeping antibacterial and virus wipes all over your house.
And like she instructs her cleaning crews, use those wipes at least twice a day on what everybody's touching, like the TV remote. And until the flu season has passed, use paper instead of cloth towels.
One of the most susceptible places to germs in your house are the hand towels in your bathroom.
Another step to stay free of the flu. Chris Clackham, NBC News.
All middle-aged men who can do more push-ups may have a lower risk for cardiovascular disease. It's according to a new Harvard study spanning about 10 years. It showed men who did more than 40 push-ups were 96% less likely to develop heart failure or artery disease. And Lee Cruz is on the floor trying to do them now, and he can't do it. Those who did less than 10 had more health issues. All right, Lee, you got health issues. In fact, the push-up test was more accurate in predicting heart disease than a standard treadmill test. Yeah, you did 3 and then clapped your hand together. Shame on you. Well, a new research study from Duke University reveals some children in the U.S. are being exposed to dangerous chemicals in their own homes. The culprits, according to the study, all vinyl flooring and flame retardant foam in sofas and other furniture. Kids exposed to these chemicals had significantly higher concentrations of toxins in their blood, linked to obesity, developmental delays, respiratory disorders, and cancer. Chris?
How many did he get?
He did 3 and he clapped his hands and then he was like done.
Yeah. He was like, that's it. Now he's out of breath.
Yeah.
We've all heard of cats